নাম নাম এটা পারো না, এটা পারো নাম না।
ক তোর নাম ক। He is my younger brother. His name is Riyad Islam Shah, and he is a mechanic engineer, and he solved all phones problems. And recently, he sells all of items phones and solves any parts. Uh, Basically, he solves motherboards problems and sells motherboards. And here is some of equipment. He use this equipment for solving any problems for phones. And here is a parts and some of chips, and this is broken.
মাদারবোর্ডে ছবি লাগবে।